his companions, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless every single one of us. My beloved brothers and sisters in Islam, it brings. And where did we come to learn about the fact that there is life after death? We came to learn of it from the Creator himself. When he created us, he did not just leave us without. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has kept it the same month as the month of fasting. They worshipped Allah alone. And they believed in the unseen, and they promoted the unseen, and they gave preference to the hereafter over this life. Now,